Dear God, spirit guides and teachers and angels, and loved ones on the other side, I am igniting the energy of Mother Mary this week as we go within and tap into that nurturing quality, the mother archetype of love. Whether I am tuning into my own inner child or my own children, let me express through my words, through my actions, the healing of any wounds within me or in my loved ones. Let the essence and healing quality of Mother Mary wash over my life, wash over my loved ones, and wash over this world. Let me lead with tenderness this week, that gentle, nurturing quality of the mother within. Let me dig deep in my own roots and foundation to stand strong in my power and yet lead with love. If there is any forgiveness, energy that I need to evoke this week, forgiveness of myself, forgiveness of others, let me be open to releasing the pain, any hurt, and any challenge. Let the openness of this time, the healing quality of this mother within, nurture, support, and be the reminder that love is all there is. And so it is. Amen.